Good morning students. Today we will start a new topic, that is methods for finding order of reaction. The first method is graphical method. This method is applied for the reactions which have only one type of reactants. What we do in this type of method, we plot different graphs between rate and the concentration of reactant. If rate and concentration of reactant to the power 0 graph will be like this, then the order of the reaction is 0. If rate depends on the concentration to the power 1, then it will be of first order. If rate and concentration to the power 2 will be a straight line like this, then reaction will be of second order, means this is a hit and trial method. Next method is integrated rate equation. This is also a hit and trial method. This is also employed for reactions having only one type of reactant. In this also we have integrated rate equation for zero order, for first order. For zero order, A is equal to minus KT plus A naught. Slope will be minus K. We will plot the graph. If the graph will be like this, then the reaction will be of zero order. Next, if for first order, log A minus equal to minus KT upon 2.303 plus log A naught. Slope will be minus K upon 2.303. If we plot the graph and graph will be like this, then reaction will be of first order. Next, the important method is initial rate method. Graphical method cannot be applied for reactions which involve more than one reactant. So for that type of reactions, initial rate method can be used. Let us take an example. 2A plus 2B give products. Experimentally, we have data for this reaction. First, concentration of A is 0.01, concentration of B is 0.01, and rate of reaction is 0.05. Similarly, second, 0.02, concentration of A, 0.01 concentration of B, and 0.020 rate of the reaction. Next, for third experiment, concentration of A is 0.02, concentration of B is 0.03, and rate of reaction is 0.060. Let us consider the rate of the reaction is rate equal to K, A to the power alpha and B to the power beta. This we have taken a general reaction. So by putting the values from 1 to 3, we get this one. What we will do now, we will see which reaction is having same concentration of alpha or beta, like in reaction 2 or 1. In reaction 2 and 1, we have concentration of B same. So if we divide 2 divided by 1, 0.020 divided by 0.005, 0.001 will be cut by 0.001, K will be cut by K. So 2 की power alpha, then 2 to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power alpha. By this we get alpha is equal to 2. Similarly, we have concentration of A common in 3 and 2. So divide 3 divided by 2, 3 divided by, on dividing 3 divided by 2, we get 3 to the power beta equal to 3 to the power 1. So beta is equal to 1. So by putting the value of alpha and beta in this equation, we get the order of the reaction. Let us take an example on initial rate method. This type of question also come in the board exam. The following data were obtained for the reaction. 2NO plus O2 gives 2NO2. This data is given experiment 1, 2, 3, 4, concentration of NO, concentration of O2, and rate of formation of NO2. We have to calculate order of the reaction, rate law, and rate constant. Let us consider rate is equal to K, NO to the power alpha and O to the power beta. We will put all the values from 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will see the common concentration. Like in equation number 3 and equation number 1, concentration of NO is same. So if we divide 3 divide by 1, then we will get 2.88 into 10 to the power minus 1 divided by 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 equal to 4 divided by 2 means 2 to the power beta. So 2 की power beta equal to 2 to the power 2 will be beta equal to 2. Similarly, we see for alpha. Now the concentration of beta is same in equation number 2 and 4. So 4 divided by 2 we get 4 to the power alpha equal to 4. So alpha equal to 1. By putting the value of alpha and beta in this equation, we get rate is equal to k nu to the power 1 or to the power 2. So by adding the power, we get order, that is equal to 3. Now this is rate law, this is order of the reaction. We have to find out the value of k. You can find the value of k by any of the 4 equations by putting the value of alpha and beta. So I have put the value of alpha and beta in equation number 1. I get k is equal to 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 0.3 into 0.2 into 0.2. By putting the value of alpha and beta in equation number 1, I get k is equal to 6 L to the power 2 liter square mole minus 2 per minute. These are the methods for finding order of the reaction.